Today we are going to talk about Fynlo, an AI-powered bookkeeping tool that helps small business owners and freelancers automate the financial tasks without spending hours on spreadsheets or accounting software. Many people struggle to track the income, expenses, or invoices and reports, and it can become overwhelming over time. Fynlo is designed to simplify the bookkeeping using AI, making it easier to stay organized and understand your finances. In this video, I will explain what Fynlo is, the key features of it, who is it useful for, and how the AppSumo lifetime deal works for this tool. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we explore simple AI tools and practical software that help small businesses and freelancers to save time and manage their work more efficiently. If this kind of content helps you, make sure to subscribe this channel. Also check the link in the description to explore Fynlo and any AppSumo offers. By using the description link, any deal or benefit that will be applied automatically. So you don't need to use any code or do anything extra. Now let's come to the main part of the video. At its core, Fynlo is built to automate the bookkeeping tasks and give you the clear insights into your finances. Instead of manually entering the transactions, categorize the expenses, or creating reports, Fynlo uses AI to do much of the work for you. This means you can focus more on running your business rather than worrying about the accounting details. One of the key features of Fynlo is automatic transaction categorization. The AI can recognize the different types of income and expenses and sort them into categories such as the sales, subscriptions, operational costs, and marketing expenses. This makes it much easier to see where your money is going, what your cash flow looks like. Another feature is expense tracking and reporting. Fynlo helps you to monitor the spending and generate simple reports that shows you the profit, loss, and other financial metrics. This is useful for small business owners who want a clear overview without spending hours to analyzing the spreadsheets. Fynlo also offers the invoice management. You can create, track, and manage invoices for your clients, and the tool can automatically reconcile the payments with your income records. This helps ensure that you always know which invoices are paid, which are pending, and what your total earnings are. For people who run small businesses or work as freelancers, Fynlo Financial Insights and Summaries are very helpful. It can provide AI-generated summaries that highlight the trends, unusual expenses, or areas where you can save money. This feature is especially useful for people who do not have a dedicated accountant or financial team. Fynlo also integrates smoothly with common payment and banking systems, so you can bring data together in one place without manually exporting or importing the spreadsheets. This saves time and reduces the errors, which is very important for a small business to managing their own accounts. Now let's talk about the AppSumo lifetime deal, which means you pay once and get the long-term access to the platform. This is a cost-effective option for small business owners or freelancers who want bookkeeping support without recurring fees. The first AppSumo tier is usually suitable for the beginner or solo business owners. It provides access to essential bookkeeping automation and basic reporting features. This is enough if you want to test the tool or handle bookkeeping for one small business. The next tier gives you more flexibility. You can track more transactions, use advanced AI features, and access the richer financial summaries. This works well for growing businesses or freelancers managing multiple clients. Basically, these higher tiers designed for the advanced users or small accounting teams. These plans allow the higher transaction limits, more detailed reporting, additional integration. If you manage multiple accounts or larger business, then this tier gives the scalability and control you need. So if you are already looking for a smarter way to manage your finances and save time on bookkeeping, checking the AppSumo deal through the description link can be a very helpful and smart option. You just pick the tier that matches your needs and the offer will be applied automatically without any code or extra steps. So overall, Fynlo is a practical and beginner-friendly tool that automates bookkeeping, helps track income and expenses, manages invoices, and provides useful financial insights. It saves time, reduces errors, and makes managing business finances much easier for small business owners and freelancers. So that was the video about the Fynlo and the AppSumo deal. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.